Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Shut off the doorbell circuit at the breaker and verify no voltage with a tester. Once done, put on gloves and expose the bottom edge of the Nest Doorbell by peeling back any weather gasket or rubber cover. Use a thin flat tool or small flat screwdriver to feel for the lower latch or hidden screw head. This first access point lets you manipulate the mounting bracket without a key and minimizes damage to the wall and wiring. Once you've exposed the seam, insert a thin pry or metal shim into the lower gap and apply steady upward pressure. Avoid sharp jerks. If there's a security pin or captive screw you cannot turn, slide the shim behind it and rotate slightly to depress the retention mechanism. This mimics the key's action. As the bottom releases, tilt the camera away from the wall so the bracket disengages. Make sure to support the unit with one hand to prevent it from falling and stressing the wiring. After the bracket clears, support the doorbell and pull it straight out a few inches to reveal the wiring connector. Depress the connector clip or pull the quick connect apart while holding the unit. Do not yank the wires. Once disconnected, tuck the exposed wires back into the box, reattach a protective cover, and only restore power after you've confirmed the wiring is safe. If the connector won't release or you see frayed wires, stop and use a mirror and flashlight to inspect.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.